Do you know that one copyright strike can stop your channel from growing instantly? And if you get three copyright strike, it can delete your videos, it can terminate, it can remove your channel like totally. Like your channel will be gone, like gone. So if you want to grow your channel without fear, then this video is a must watch for you. Stay tuned and let's dive right into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Okay, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Empress Efe in the building, and I teach video relating to YouTube growth, monetization, and content strategy, and lots more. Okay, a lot more. So stay tuned, like, share, hit the notification bell, and make this your last. Okay, keep coming, keep watching my videos. Okay, so let's get started to the topic of today's video. And today I am going to be showing you how to prevent copyright strike so that you can grow your channel safely and consistently. So let's get started. So now let's ask ourselves, what is copyright strike? So YouTube strike is the penalty given to anyone who violates or who break YouTube rules. You must not break the rules. Why do you want to break the rules? Come on. So I'm going to be talking about the two main type of strike, which is the copyright strike and community guideline strike. Okay, those two have different meanings. So we are going to be taking each one step by step. So we are going to be starting with copyright strike. So now let's know what exactly causes copyright strike. There's a lot of content creators get copyright strike without even knowing that they have break the rules. This is cause number one, using music that you do not own. Cause number two, uploading other people's videos, using viral videos from Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. So cause number four is using videos like image from Google without license. And cause number five, using movie clips without permission. If you didn't create it or you do not have permission, then you can get a strike for this. So now, how do we avoid copyright strike? So how to avoid copyright strike? Using copyright free music. That is one. You can use copyright free music, like music that do not have copyright in them. For example, YouTube, when you go to YouTube, your YouTube studio, there are some list of songs or music that you are supposed to use on YouTube, like is there. You can download any of those ones in your YouTube studio and use any of that. At least that's YouTube the audio library. It's free. The music is there. The music there are free, so you can use any one of it. You can also use Epidemic. Okay, Epidemic sound. You can download Epidemic and use, but you need to pay before you can use their music or any sound from there. If you do not pay, you can't use it, and that will give you copyright in your video. Pixabay music is also there, and so many more, like a lot of free copyright free music that you can use. But the three I just mentioned is what you should use. Like, go for them. If you do not have money to pay Epidemic, then just use your YouTube audio library Perco. Just use that one. Never download random music from the internet, because it will get your channel into trouble. It will get your videos into trouble, like you get copyright strike on it. Number two, do not re-upload other people's content. Re-uploading other people's content or video is the fastest way to kill your YouTube channel. Even if you want to use somebody's content, you can add your voice, add value, and transform the content completely. Like, just take the video, add your voice to it, make sure it has your face, your original voice. Okay, just transform the content completely, and then you can post it as your video or as your content. That is one thing you should do if you want to, or you are the type of person that like create uploading or re-uploading other people's content, or that is what you want to start a channel with, uploading other people's content. You can just add your voice, transform the video, like make it yours. generally. Point number 3, avoid copyright image. Image from Google is not free. Use free image website like Pixel, etc. There are lots, okay, that have copyright free this thing images. Or you can create your image using CapCut or Canvas. Simple. Just create your own image using CapCut or Canva, and then you'll be free from strike and copyright strike and all that. So now let's talk about the second type of strike, which is the community guideline strike. So the following I'm coming to mention falls under community guideline strike. If your channel or your video was terminated because of these things I'm coming to mention, then it is you violated the community guideline strike, not actually the this in copyright strike. For the difference between the community guideline strike is that one is very serious and one is not serious. Okay, one is this thing mild, and then one is chronic, which is the community guideline is the very serious one. Okay, and the copyright strike, that one is not really very serious. Your channel cannot be terminated or be deleted because of copyright strike. Okay, but when it comes to community guideline violation strike, your channel can be removed, it can be deleted, it can be terminated. Okay, so this I'm coming to mention, or what I'm coming to mention, falls under the community guideline violation. So the first one I'm coming to talk about is using hateful speech, harassment, or making videos making harassment videos, violation, medical misleading, content misleading, like scam. All these falls under community guideline violation strike. And also posting sexual content or sexually related content. All this can delete and terminate and remove your channel entirely, like totally. Even if the video is your own, like your voice, your face to face, it can be deleted because you can't post anything violation. You can't post harassment video, violation videos, medical misleading videos, sexual content, and scam. Like you can't do that here on this platform. Anyone with any of that can get their channel terminated. So let's be careful and let's be watchful. Let's look at way to avoid community guideline strike. So first in the list is avoid offensive language. Avoid posting harassment video, like avoid scam, avoid sexual content, avoid misleading and medical misleading, like avoid misleading content. And always educate and not to encourage harm. Be careful with sensitive topics. There are some topics that you should be careful about because of how sensitive they are. So now the next point is, what should we do if we get a strike? Like we want to know what to do if we get a strike. So number one thing to do if you get a strike is, like, don't post any content that is the same as the one that gave you strike. Okay. Number two, stop posting for the period of that 90 days. Do not post. If you have 3 strikes within that 90 days, your channel can be taken down, can be deleted, can be terminated, just name it. Your channel will be gone, like gone. Okay, so do not post any video within that 90 days, or do not repeat that video that gave you that strike. Then post original content. If you think it's a mistake on the part of YouTube, you can submit an appeal, but make sure you think carefully before you submit that appeal, because it can also get you into more trouble. So think carefully. Making one mistake doesn't end your channel, but repeating the mistake is what actually terminates your channel. If you want a safe growth on this channel, then do all that I have said and avoid all the mistakes that can get you copyright and community guideline strike. So just avoid all that I have mentioned here that will put you into the category of copyright strike or community guideline strike. And if you want a safe growth on this channel, then you can post videos that are educational, tutorial, voiceover videos, and then also make vlogs, okay, vlogs with right music, okay, right music that will not get you copyright strike or community guideline strike. So let's avoid it and then make original video, original content that will keep our channel and our platform safe. So I said I'll be revealing some secrets at the end of this video, and the secret is always check your email and YouTube Studio. Some people don't check their emails, some people don't check their YouTube Studio, because whenever you have copyright strike or a community guideline strike, you receive it first in your email, and then you also see it in your dashboard, like your YouTube Studio dashboard is there. And when you see it, you just adjust yourself. Stop. Is either you this thing adjust that video, like make the video very safe, like trim, the word is trim that video, the part that have the copyright strike, trim it out. If it's possible for you to take music from the YouTube, this the audio library, and then replace it with the original music that is this thing that is giving you that copyright strike, then replace it and then this thing post it again, okay, then your video will be saved from that copyright. The issue will be resolved by YouTube if you are able to trim it, okay, or replace the music. So that is number one. And then number two, check your emails. Your emails is very important. Checking your emails, your YouTube, the same email that you use in creating that YouTube channel, like check that emails. Always check your email, because YouTube always notify you whenever there is a strike, or if your video have copyright strike, or it have community guideline strike. YouTube will always notify you. YouTube will always notify you through your email and your YouTube Studio. So always check your email. Always check your email, because if you check your email, you'll be able to know that, okay, this video I posted, it has strike, it has copyright strike, it has copyright. It's either YouTube will tell you that this your video has copyright, and it doesn't mean that it has strike. It is not. YouTube will say it is not copyright strike, but it has copyright. So make sure you adjust that copyright, and do not go to the extent of having community guideline strike, because that one is very important. I say, let me share the secrets with you guys. And also make sure to check your email whenever you post video. Check your email, because sometimes YouTube don't detect that strike early. If you post the video, YouTube might say, okay, there was no issue found in this video, but later on, let me say 5 to 6 hours to 7 hours time, if you go or check your email or your YouTube Studio, you will see that that same video have copyright strike. It will be written there. It will say it has copyright. So it's either you go and you adjust the video, okay, so that it will not hinder your views, your YouTube, your video views, your video growth. Just adjust that video and replace any where the copyright issue is coming from. So this is the secret that most YouTubers would not share with you guys. I'm kind enough to share this with everyone here. So that brings us to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, like and comment safe in the comment section, and share my videos, okay, so that a lot of people will learn and then will not make mistake. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out on our next YouTube growth video. So on that note, see you in our next YouTube growth video. Bye.